Sure.
Okay. Am I standing
You new to this?
Hi. We are back to take the upper and lower triple clamp.
Yes.
Off of this frame.
Yep. This one you probably won't see me helping him with triple clamps. I'm going to be working on getting the polishing stuff ready for the frame. So yeah, you'll see him on that one.
Rock on. Okay, so this is going to remove the top and bottom triple clamps. There is what I would call a big ol' nut right there. That's big ol' nut. All right. So big ol' nut. We're going to take that off and remove this top one. We'll see if I can get it with it. That wasn't too bad. And then should be able to slide that off. So there's the upper triple clamp. What you'll see here is there's a rod that goes down through. There's an upper and lower bearing, and then this rod is attached to this lower triple clamp. There's a keyed nut on here. They do make tools for this. I am going to use a screwdriver on this one. Okay, I'm actually going to use a brass chisel on this. I'm just going to put it, let's see what that looks like here. Okay, you can hold that. I'm just going to put that on there and give that a spin. It doesn't take much. Okay, that will just spin off there.
Yeah, Sean.
Yep, there it is. And then you have a washer, a dust washer under here. Okay, that's protecting the bearing from getting some dust on it. Now this should slide out the bottom of this, okay? And then we'll pop this off. This is the top bearing. These bearings are actually in really good shape. What you really want to do is there's a race in the top and the bottom. That's what the bearing seats into. And you want to look for any wear, any scratches, anything on this one. I believe these have actually look like they've been replaced at some time. So they look pretty good. They're very similar if you've ever done on a car or something, or a trailer, wheel bearings. And so they're very similar to that. I'm not going to take the races out of this right now because I am going to probably just change these because I want to know that they're new. And that way when Aiden polishes this up, he's not going to damage. I'm not worried about him damaging where these races seat down into. And there is a tool. It's going to be a little more difficult removing these because I have to either use a press or a pull, or you can use a big enough socket sometimes to pound them in there. And then the bottom race is in here, the lower bearing. These will take a puller to get this off. We're going to leave that together, but this is the upper and lower triple clamps. I will say I do not know why in the world they call them a triple clamp. To me, it clamps in 2 spots, but it's still called a triple clamp. What do you think, Aiden?
I mean, my only guess is that they called that because there's a third slot that they press fit that in, but
yeah, but it's not a clamp.
I don't know.
I think it should be called a double clamp.
I agree.
Yeah, double clamp. Okay, with the lower and the upper triple clamps removed, now Aiden can take this and polish it. So why don't you refer to that video and you can see him getting this all cleaned up. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see what's going on more, and we will hopefully be posting pretty frequent videos. Thanks for your time. Rock on.